What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows Update error code 0x800f081f. So let's get right into this. So the easiest way to fix this error code is first to go to your search bar and type in troubleshoot settings until you see this pop up. Then I want you to click into additional troubleshooters. It'll be all the way at the bottom. And then I want you to click into Windows Update and then run the troubleshooter basically for this to detect any problems that you may be having with your Windows Update. It's going to literally check for that, see if you need to restart it, all that other good stuff. Basically let it run its course, restart your computer, and then go from there. If this doesn't fix it for you, the next thing you should do is go to your search bar again and type in services until you see this and two cogs open up. Then in here, just type in W or Windows to find where it says Windows Update and Windows Update Medic Service. Right click into this and click into Properties, and I want you to basically change this. Yours will be on manual, so change it from manual to automatic, and then change it. It won't be running for you. It'll say start. Press the start button basically. So you want to do that. I'll show you as an example. Like if in here as well, it's like, I guess they're both running right now because of the troubleshooter. But pretty much that's what you're going to do. You're going to run this, you're going to do automatic, and then basically press apply. And if it's still not working, you can restart the services as well for both of them from clicking into this to basically start it again and then go from there. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys love the video, please smash thumbs up, go to the channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification, and then Mo Tutorials out. Peace.